Kantay natin ng I'm still waiting at the door, right? I built our home with bleeding hands. Let it break with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just took to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where you laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wear your cup, I fix your tie. What you choose, you dream and fly. I give you wings, I stay behind. But now you're gone, and so it's time. I'm still waiting at the door where you footsteps touch the floor. Heaven pain begins to fade, but the love it always stay. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you stay. That I remember who you are, but wishes don't go that far. So I sing here on the stage, all in tired, full of a key. Not for gold, not for fame, but to love, it always say. Just to call out your name, still waiting, still the same. Thank you so much. Shout out sa lahat ng mga nag-view kaya Elite Big Sister na rin tayo na sa Aminya Beach Palawig. Shout out na rin sa lahat ng mga kabats natin sa BRD Chits batch 1990. At pa-shout out na rin kay Stephanie Templo Nuevo. Ayun, nasakay natin sa tricycle. Siya ay dadalaw sa kanyang lola dyan sa Biga. Ayun. Pero siya ay taga Baras. Ayun. Shout out sa Templo Nuevo family dyan sa Baras. Ayun. Siya ay kasalukuyang nagtuturo sa UST. Ayun. Shout out sa iyo, Stephanie Templo Nuevo. Ayun. Salamat sa pag-subscribe kay Elite Ball Big Sister. Shoutout na rin sa lahat ng magla-like and subscribe pa. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. But to love, it always say, still waiting, still the same.